Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up split screen on your Honor Magic V6 Foldable. So as you guys can see, I've got the phone right here. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over and use two apps. So here we got the first app. Now let's open up the second app. And where I'm going with this, you may ask. We need to go over and open up all of the apps here. Now we can choose the apps, so I'll choose messages, and here what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to click on this blue line, click on split screen. Let me quickly do that again, split screen, and now we need to tap an app so we can choose it from here. As you guys can see, we got the MultiFlex and etc. We're gonna click got it, and as you guys can see here, we can, for example, call up somebody, and here we can start a chat, so we can easily just multitask with calling and texting at the same time. And that's how you guys can do it. Also, you have an app right here, you can click on it and it will also open two apps, so they are still here. And if you, for example, want to download something, now you have to get back to your work, you have it right here. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.